Namaskara, good evening. I hope you're all doing well. In fact, many times in the last 1.5, 2 years, I thought of talking to each one of you, though we spoke for a very brief time, and I have a lot of interesting information to share with you. I thought the best way to do it is to make it a video, a short video, and just share it with you so that it is easy for you to just go through. In fact, Finmo, there have been very wonderful things that are happening. It's a great experience scaling now across the geographies. And like I said, a lot of things that I want to share with you. So I do not burden you with 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes kind of a video. This is going to be a short video. I would make it 3 or 4 parts, maximum 3 to 5 minutes. And I'll be sharing it in the next couple of days, and please do go through this and please think that I am talking to you sitting next to you. I hope that will happen soon, probably in the coming weeks, and I would meet you and talk to you. A lot of things to share. Of course, you also have many things to share with me. Straight away, let me share the screen, and the first part of the video that I will be sharing you is on the kind of Finmo services that we are doing, and what are the system, how Finmo is currently working. So just to quickly take you through, Finmo services basically are of two types. One which you see on the purple background are investment advisory services. So right now we have Rupee Rakshak is one product and FinOp Premium is another portfolio product. So for whom Rupee Rakshak is meant for? Those who wants to build an asset of 1 crore, because 1 crore makes a big difference in anybody's life. So it is important that somebody has a crore of cash so that there is comfort in life. So those who want to build at least an asset of 1 crore in next 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years, they should come to Rupee Rakshak. They can do it either with our lump sum investment in the stock portfolio. So Rupee Rakshak is a portfolio of stocks and ETFs dynamically managed to protect the downside and maximize the upside returns. And those who cannot invest in lump sum, they can also do it so on a monthly savings, maybe 15,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever they have, they can start saving so that they create an asset of 1 crore plus. So Rupee Rakshak is protecting the capital. The objective is to protect the capital and maximize the growth without taking undue risks. So Rupee Rakshak is that product for those who want to build assets. Maybe youngsters, they just joined the job. They have some 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or they have some 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs. So they invest and they try to build this over a period of time. For those who have already accumulated good amount of assets, those who have worked for 15 years, 10 years, 20 years in different fields, and they already have at least a crore of rupees. Either they have invested or they have it in FD. So this, for such people, we have FinOp Premium, which has two things. One, the base portfolio, which is meant for long-term growth. Then on this base portfolio, we run something like a hedged portfolio, again to protect, because larger the money, protecting the capital is very, very difficult. So we need to protect the capital and also enhance the returns with safety. That is FinOp Premium. Now, these two are exclusively investment advisory services. So if you come in on the orange background, what you're seeing, the two services, FinCheck and FinVest. FinCheck is a service, I think many of you recall that we have those who have put in all their income, expenses, their family goals, the children marriage, the graduation fund, all that what we have done is rebranded as FinCheck. And what it actually does, it's an end-to-end financial solution. It gives the family financial status, what the future goals are, how much money you require in future to get that future amount that is required for you to enjoy life, how much you have to start investing monthly. All these planning services is FinCheck. And those who have already achieved goals, those who are sitting on big amount of money, for them it is not the goals, but it is the net worth. If someone is worth 10 crore, FinCheck will focus on how to increase the net worth, how to make that 10 crore which was inclusive of all the properties, sites, or any kind of an assets all together. So how to restructure that and increase the net worth over a period of time. So that is an end-to-end solution. And if there are people who do not want to look into the overall net worth, but they just want to give some 5 crores or 2 crores or 1 crore or 50 lakhs, and they just want to only ensure that this money of whatever they're bringing into the portfolio, they want to protect and grow, that is Finvest. FinCheck already includes the Finvest, but if someone is only interested in a portfolio of 1 crore or 2 crore or 3 crore, they themselves are capable of handling their personal financial requirements, but they don't have the time or the capability or efficiency or the health or the understanding of the markets, and they fear that somebody might cheat them and it will be difficult to handle big amount of money. Then they will come into Finvest. It's a portfolio advisory. It's an asset advisory product, which aim is to protect the capital and ensure there is a decent growth without compromising on the safety. Plus, we also plan the liquidity whenever the emergency cash is required, or if the regular expenses, for the expenses if you require cash, then also that is planned as a part of the portfolio. Any growth that is coming in, we plan a cash income also, whatever is required. Need not be from the growth, but it is managed from the portfolio. That is Finvest. So Finvest again is a planning service. Anyone coming in with Finvest, the money can get invested in Rupee Rakshak, Finno Premium. It can get invested in bonds, gold, Indian market, US markets. So it can get diversified, but the whole idea is to protect the capital and ensure there is a decent growth which takes care of the liquidity requirements of the family. I hope this is pretty clear, and this is where we are going big now in terms of, because it's very important to be simple and straightforward for us to know what exactly the services we are catering, and for the clients to know exactly which one should I take. So all those who have already entered your data, and we have already done a lot of planning for your future goals, they come under FinCheck. So please make sure you subscribe for FinCheck annual. Now it is possible that many of you have entered the data. We have done sometimes back all these reviews. Now going forward, you need to subscribe to FinCheck annual. It is based on the net worth. There is a minimum fee of 10,000 for 4 quarterly reviews. So once you subscribe to this FinCheck, you can update the same data. You already have your login credentials. You can go there, update your current financial status, income, all other things, assets and liabilities. Then we will do a regular review for the family financial status, future goals, and net worth growth planning is concerned. I hope that is very, very clear. Keep on innovating. And this is the first part of the video. And I will be sharing with you what is the Small Case as a platform, what are the new things that we are doing in terms of promoting these products, and how we will be servicing to you in the next couple of videos. And thanks a lot for watching.